Guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my kitchen as well. Today we're gonna be making osumbuko. I don't know if you've heard about it, but this is it. It's just meat that is around the bone. So I'm going to prepare it. It's not properly chopped, but when we're done, we're gonna be making it into a beautiful stew that you'll be having with kienyeji boga and some nice kavagara. Hey, so our meat is ready. We don't have purely osumbuko. We have some meat, some steak as well, but this is what we call osumbuko. This is how it should look like. So I'm going to have this in the pan and add a few spices and some cooking oil for it to sear. You can use butter, you can use coconut oil, any kind of oil that works for you. And then I have it sear in the cooking pot or pan, whichever you're gonna use, for a few minutes until it's slightly golden. And then I'll add in my other ingredients. Our spices today, we have garam masala from Tropical Heat. I will be using beef masala and curry powder from Top Food as well. And from Royco, I have some 2 Royco cubes and 1 chili cube. So stay tuned. This is very simple and very interesting. Try it. Let me know how you like it. And let's do this. Add some cooking oil. Butter would be very nice as well. Add your salt. Add in your meat after your cooking oil is kind of hot. Push it to the stove. The roosters like time itself in this humble Cajun grove. Through the back door, taste the brine. It's a bayou. It just helps you to have more flavored meats, more flavored stew, and also helps you to get the taste of the meat all incorporated in the whole meal. By the way, you can make your osumbuko as tumbukiza, whereby you let it boil, slow cook, maybe for some few hours, then add some potatoes, add a few leaves of spinach, or you can make it as this amazing stew. You can also grill it. It has amazing meat. When everything starts looking slightly cooked, that is the red blood color is not there anymore, you're going to add in your spices and your sauces. For this, I'll be using my super forever sauce, oyster sauce. I use this in literally everything all the time, and I'll also be using a few drops of the premium dark soy sauce. You can go in your favorite sauces as well. I keep on saying that cooking is an art, so you can use anything, you can eliminate anything in case you don't like maybe something that I've used in this recipe. After adding everything in, mix it up, stir until everything is incorporated. After all this is done, I'm going to add in my onions, let it cook as I prepare kavagara for our dinner, and then, well, later I'll add in some tomatoes, some onions. So I have added my onion. I'm going to give it a few minutes to cook as I pre-boil my kavagara water. So that when this is boiling and getting super ready, I'll be preparing my ugali, and then dinner is served. Our kenyeji is prepared already. That was quick, just some onions, some cooking oil, and your kenyeji. You can add cream, you can add coconut, whatever works for you. So see you guys when everything looks as colorful as this does. You can now add in your tomatoes. Give it a few minutes to cook. Just cover it up, let it slow cook. You can also lower the heat so that it cooks slowly. Few minutes later, this is our a few minutes later, this is our result. I added some green onion and some, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I added some green onion and some dania. I don't know why the name is anyway. Yeah, and some dania. This is how pretty it looks. Our ugali. So everything is made. I made the stew is ready. The ugali is ready as well. As you can see at the back, the veggies were already prepared. So we are done. We are done. Done and dusted. Are ready to enjoy this tantalizing meal. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for always tuning in. Thank you for the love. Thank you for being amazing people. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you've not yet done that. Share, comment, like. Please check our previous videos. They're amazing. We are working on preparing more quick one pan. Name them. All the recipes you can try in this entire wide world. So enjoy, 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 enjoy. And until next time, adios. Can't keep track, no time. Shut my eyes, too bright. Can't think straight, real life. Ay, ay, stranger still in my apartment. What the fuck is in my pocket?